Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting and current topic, the comparison between physical makeup and virtual makeup. As technology advances, virtual makeup is becoming more and more popular, but what are its advantages over traditional makeup? And what are the disadvantages of the physical makeup we all know and love? In this video, we explore both aspects to help you figure out which option might be best for you. If you are passionate about beauty and technology, this video is for you. Let's get started right away. Physical makeup refers to the use of cosmetic products to enhance or transform the appearance of the face. This includes foundation, lipstick, eyeshadow, and more. It is an art that requires practice and creativity. Virtual makeup, on the other hand, uses technology to apply digital cosmetic effects to photos or videos. This can be done through editing apps or specialized software, allowing you to experiment with different looks without using real products. Let's look together at the advantages of virtual makeup and the disadvantages of physical makeup. Advantages of virtual makeup. Virtual makeup offers several advantages. 1. Unlimited experimentation. You can try different looks without having to buy expensive products. This allows you to be creative and find the perfect look for you. 2. No skin risk. There is no direct contact with the skin, so there is no risk of allergies or irritation. It is ideal for those with sensitive skin. 3. Ease of change. You can change the look with one click, without having to remove and reapply makeup. This saves you time and effort. 4. Instant sharing. It is easy to share your looks on social media or with friends to get feedback. You can show off your style quickly and easily. 5. Time saving. You don't have to spend hours in front of the mirror. Virtual makeup is fast and instant. Perfect for people with busy lives. Disadvantages of physical makeup. Physical makeup, although still popular, has many disadvantages. 1. Time and fatigue. Applying makeup is time-consuming and can be tiring, especially if complex looks are involved. 2. Cost. Quality products can be expensive and need to be replaced regularly. This can become a significant investment over time. 3. Skin risks. Some products can cause allergies, irritation, or other dermatological problems. It is important to choose products suitable for your skin type. 4. Limited duration. Physical makeup can smudge, fade, or spoil throughout the day, requiring frequent touch-ups. This can be frustrating. 5. Environmental impact. The production and disposal of cosmetic products can have a negative impact on the environment. Choosing eco-friendly products can help reduce this impact. Physical makeup can have numerous health disadvantages. 1. Hydration. Some makeup, such as moisturizing foundations, can help keep skin hydrated, but at the expense of optimal skin respiration. 2. Sun protection. Many cosmetic products contain SPF, which is supposed to protect the skin from the sun, but this is where the most dangerous pitfalls lurk. 3. Allergic reactions. Some ingredients in cosmetics can cause allergies or skin irritation. It is important to pay attention to the ingredients. 4. Pore clogging. Excessive use of makeup can clog pores, leading to problems such as acne and blackheads. A good cleansing routine is essential. 5. Exposure to chemicals. Many products may contain chemicals that, in the long run, could be harmful to the skin. Impact on health. Physical makeup can have both health advantages and disadvantages. 1. Sun filters and health damage. There are numerous concerns about chemical sun filters. Sun filters are chemical products designed to protect delicate, clear skin from UV rays, but there are many concerns about the chemical ingredients they contain. These are the reasons why every year millions of cosmetic products, especially sunscreens with filters, to be withdrawn from the market due to their dangerousness to skin health. In addition, there are other health-damaging chemicals in cosmetics such as petrolatum, synthetic perfumes, and other harmful ingredients. 2. Absorption into the blood. Some studies have shown that ingredients such as avobenzone, oxybenzone, octocrylene, and ecamsol can be absorbed into the bloodstream after application to the skin. This has raised concerns about their long-term safety. 3. Hormone disruptors. Oxybenzone, in particular, has been associated with potential hormone-disrupting effects. However, most of the research has been conducted in animals, and there is no conclusive evidence showing adverse effects in humans. 4. Allergies and irritations. Some chemical ingredients may cause allergic reactions or skin irritation in sensitive people. 5. Benzene contamination. Some sunscreen products have been withdrawn from the market because they contained benzene, a carcinogenic chemical. Safer alternatives. Mineral sunscreens. Mineral-based sunscreens, such as those containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, are considered safer because they are not absorbed by the skin and work by reflecting UV rays. Natural products. Some prefer to use natural sunscreens made from plant oils and fats that already act as a natural screen and moisturizer, and avoid potentially harmful chemical ingredients. Conclusion. In conclusion, both physical and virtual makeup have their pros and cons. Virtual makeup offers great flexibility and safety for the skin, while physical makeup can provide benefits such as sun protection and hydration. Choosing between the two depends on your personal needs and preferences. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos. Leave a comment with your opinions and share the video with your friends.